on an all-new Wally Kazam. Norville has the hiccups.
Don't worry, there's a cure.
And Wally will try anything
Let's see what's first on the list. Slime!
and everything.
Bob Goblin must scare Norville. Lettuce! Bleh!
Bob Goblin, lettuce is not scary.
To help his friend out. Can he find the cure?
We're almost there!
Don't miss a brand new episode of Wally Kazam. Today at 1 on Nick.